In this video, I'll guide you through how to organize Shared with Me in Google Drive so your files are easier to find and manage. If your Shared tab feels a bit chaotic, don't worry. By the end, you'll know a simple way to bring order to everything that's been shared with you without moving or deleting anything for other people. First, go ahead and open Google Drive in your browser. You can do this by typing in the web address for Google Drive or by clicking the Drive icon from your Google Apps menu. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one for work, school, or personal use. Once Drive is open, you'll see a menu along the left-hand side. In that left menu, look for the option labeled Shared with Me and click it. This is the place where all the files and folders that other people have shared with you automatically appear. Think of it like an inbox for shared content. It's important to understand that Shared with Me is not really your storage space. It's more like a view into other people's files that you have access to. That's why it can't be rearranged much on its own. Now, scroll through the list and find a shared file or folder that you want to keep better track of. When you found one, hover your mouse over it and right-click on it. A small menu will pop up with several options. This menu is where you can take action on that shared item. From that menu, click on Add Shortcut to Drive. This does not move or copy the original file. Instead, it creates a shortcut which is like a pointer or bookmark that lives in your own My Drive space. The shortcut helps you keep things organized the way you like, while the actual file still stays with its original owner. After you click Add Shortcut to Drive, a panel or small window will open, showing your folder structure inside My Drive. Here, you'll want to choose the folder where you'd like to organize that shared file or folder. You can browse through your existing folders, and if you already have a system like projects, clients, or school, pick the one that makes the most sense. If you need to, you can also create a new folder from this view to start a more organized structure for your shared items. Take a moment to think about how you'd like to group similar shared files together. For example, you might keep all files from a particular team or class in a single folder. That way, instead of hunting through the Shared with Me section every time, you can just go directly to your chosen folder in My Drive. Once you've picked the folder location, click Add Shortcut. The shortcut will now appear in that folder in My Drive. You can repeat this same process for other shared files or folders you want to keep track of. Over time, your My Drive will become the organized hub where you go to find shared content, while Shared with Me can remain more of a backup view. That's all there is to it. By adding shortcuts from Shared with Me into organized folders in My Drive, you keep your workflow clean and efficient without affecting anyone else's files.